All right, welcome back to Shaloha Creations. I've got a new project for you today. We are going to be making a new mailbox. Just as a quick disclaimer before we get started, I am going to be using a couple of propane tanks in this project. Do not do this at home. These tanks have been serviced and cleaned properly so that they are safe to cut on and weld on. There are plenty of places online that you can go and learn on how to do that, but I'm not going to teach you here because I do not want the liability of somebody getting hurt. And so be safe out there, and let's get to this. Oh, hello there. Let me tell you what I'm doing. I'm making some fins. See, I'm taking this brazing rod and this rod here, and I'm brazing it some metal and making some fins. Because fish need fins. Alright, so I came in this morning, I was getting ready to take this out and install it, and then I realized after looking at it that with this type of reel, the curve on the fishing pole should be going in the other direction. So I'm gonna have to recurve the pole, flip the fish around, and re-weld it on. There's that. Just finished putting it in, and I just saw the mailman go by, so I'm gonna see if I can get a video of his reaction when he drives up. He just blew on by. I guess I have no mail today, or he was just delivering a package for somebody else down the road, so hopefully we can get the next one. Well, unfortunately, I was not able to get the mailman's reaction. I just wasn't able to catch him. So this will have to do it for the video. I'll leave some pictures here at the end of the mailbox for you. And as always, thank you for subscribing and liking and supporting me. And as always, Shaloha.